Hello and welcome to gfx2day.com. Today we'll be learning how to make letters like what you see and its lighting. So be sure to stay with me. My name is Abanop and this is gfx2day.com. So as you can see now, today I'm gonna be working on 3D Studio Max 2010, and the reason why, because there is a modifier here called qualify mesh and we will be using this. So let's see what will we be doing. First, let's create a plane. Go to the front view, make plane one by one and put it on the center. Now we won't care about the materials here because we will be using 3D Studio Max 2008 in rendering because it's much faster. So let's see what is perspective, and now we need to make our letters. So press text and okay, front view again, F3, and put any letters here. Maybe C here, put it into place and increase the size down, put it in the center, and maybe we can put another text in a lower, maybe 10. Type what you want here because we want to see this effect on the big and small size. Now select our text and put a bevel modifier, bevel, height, increase height, and now put level 2 and the outline maybe something like this. This is good, okay, and we can copy this and paste it to here. Paste. We need to adjust this thing here, so we will decrease maybe something like this, not much, maybe this 0.3. okay, it's good. Now let's go to the qualified mesh, and this is only in 3D Max 2010. So what it's gonna do, I'll show you now what it is for. Now we want to make a turbo smooth to this text here. So if we went here and choose turbo smooth, this is what's gonna happen. So let's undo that, Ctrl Z and press Q from your keyboard and qualify mesh. Now this is what it does. Let's play in this here some, maybe make it 4. Now the more the segments here, the better the result we will get. Let's see now if we make turbo smooth, what's gonna happen. And this is the result. We can maybe make it 1. Okay, this looks better. Now copy these two and paste them here. Okay. Now before we export this, we need to convert it to editable poly. So select all, right click, convert to editable poly, and now everything is editable poly. So choose everything, group, okay, and export it as an object. So call it text, press save and export. Now after this export's done, we will be going to 3D Studio Max 2008. So press done, and now we are in 3D Studio Max 2008. Press file, import, and choose our object, press OK. We don't need the materials, and now we are there. So press F10 and choose V-Ray, and let's adjust our render settings. So enable frame buffer and default light off, adaptive QMC and Culture Room. Okay, indirect illumination on, and light cache. Now make it medium, show calculate phase, and press light cache again and leave it 1000. Okay, acoustics on. Environment, we will deal with this later. And system, show window. Now we can save all these settings if we want. If we go to presets and select them all and call it whatever you want, maybe render settings, and press save. So now every time you go and open V-Ray from here, you can go to render, presets, and choose your render settings and press load. This will load everything here, so you won't have to make this every time. And these render settings are on the website, so be sure to go to gfx2day.com and they are there. So now select those, maybe only this one, move it just a little bit like this. Same thing here, go to the left view. Okay, and we need to make a bend modifier and make sure that the bend gizmo is in the center here. Now it's here, so move it up. Like so. And now try to bend this the x-axis. And maybe minus. Okay, that's good. Just a little bit like this. And copy this and paste it here. Again, move this. Just uncheck this one. Okay. Now press M to bring up our material editor. choose get material and V-Ray MTL. For the diffuse color, make it white and reflect something like this. Apply this and here. And for the background, you can make it something white. Now we need to make environment here, so press M again, get material and V-Ray HDRI. Close, studio setup, spherical environment, and move it here as an instance. Okay, one more time and one more time. Now press F9 to see where we are. So render, and this is the result. So let's close this, press F10, and in the render, in the color mapping, make the type from, change it from linear multiply to exponential. Okay, I don't know. Press render and see what happens. So now, as you can see, the result is much better. So you can go to front view and press P again. This is okay. Let's F9 again. You can enable the save frame to see how it looks like. So now it looks much better from this angle. So let's move to the next step and make the lighting beneath our letters. So how can we do that? First, create a camera from this view with Ctrl C and go to the perspective again and choose this editable poly. Now can hide this one for now, hide selection, and we need to choose all the back segments here. We have too many segments, so how can we choose them? Choose polygon and go to an easy view like this, where you can easily select only the back sides, maybe the top view. Okay, and choose this one and select these ones here. So when we press perspective, we have selected them all. Can manually select these ones. Okay, and here again. Great, and press M choose an empty material, get material, and now let's see, choose V-Ray light MTL. So this material will generate our light. Make this one something like bluish light, this light to our segments, uncheck this and go to the other one, do the same with the selection. Can close this for now. Okay, let's see, everything is selected here. Great. Press M again, copy this material and call it anything, and choose something like this color. Okay, apply it, and let's move to the next one. Press P, go to perspective. Okay, and this material again, and make it maybe green. Looks good. And for this one we will use a normal light, so go to lights, V-Ray light, and go to the front view and make a light here. For the color, make it maybe something like reddish color. Okay, top view here, and unhide all, and move our light something like this. Go to the front view, now camera view, show safe frame, and let's press render and see what happened. So now after rendering our scene, we notice many things. First, I forgot to make the light invisible, so we'll make it invisible, and for the light beneath it we want to make it stronger, so light invisible, and press M again for every one of them. Make it maybe like 5, and this one again. For the multiplier, make it like 5, and maybe I want to make the scale of this top view move them to the center, this one. Now press F9 again and see what happens. And now here is the final result. This text and lighting here. So hope you like it, and visit our website for more useful tutorials here. I got some nice video tutorials here. And I would like to thank everyone who is supporting me with comments, Johnson, Chico, and everyone, so thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Abanob and this is gfx2day.com.